Sawmill World started in 1988 and has always been committed to the production and R&D of sawmills. Its products have been exported to more than 60 countries in the world. It is one of the world's high-quality manufacturers specializing in the production of sawmills. Multi-head horizontal band sawing machine, multi-head cutting plate, using imported touch screen numerical control to display the size of sawing plate, sawing precision, high production efficiency. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.